see in your book also, it is already given one diagram. So in this diagram, this line is M, this is M, and this is line L. So this intersecting point they are given P, and this one they are given Q. And you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4 angle is there. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 angles, and they are given the name of angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So by using this line and the angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 angles, we are going to check here about the corresponding angle, alternate angle and interior angle on the same side of the transversal. So first of all, see this line and this line, these two lines are parallel lines. So here what I am drawing, it may not be parallel because we are not using the instrument, but according to the given I am just drawing. So now you just imagine that this line and this line is parallel. Okay. Then if they are parallel, then this is the transversal. Then now first of all, corresponding angle. So let me write the corresponding angle. Corresponding angle. Corresponding angle. See, first angle 1 equals to angle 1 equals to, so angle 1 and angle 5, again angle 2 and angle 6, again angle 3 and angle 7, angle 4 and angle 8. See, first I have given their relation. Now I just want to tell you the meaning of corresponding. Corresponding means same. Meaning of corresponding is same. So what you will see, yes, you can see two parallel lines like this and one transversal. So first angle 1 is here and angle 5 is here. So see these two angles, both the angles, if you check the transversal, they are in the left side, and if you check the parallel line, then both the angle are outside. This is upside of this parallel line, this is upside of parallel line, and both angles they are left side of the transversal. So that is the relationship between the corresponding angle. Now the second point we are going to study, that is alternate angle, and there are two types of alternate angle. That is, first one is alternate interior. Interior angle. So let me write like this. That will be more better. I will just write alternate angle. Then see, like angle 1 equals to angle 1 and angle 7. Angle 7. Then angle 2 equals to angle 8. Then 3 and 5. Angle 3 equals to angle 5. Then angle 4 equals to angle 6. See, I have just written here alternate angle. Now we can separate here this one. This is exterior. And this is interior. So these two angles, they are alternate exterior angle, these two alternate interior angle. And how to identify is, meaning of alternate is opposite. Now let me just explain first 1 and 7. So your explanation is like this. See, this is two parallel lines. Your angle 1 is here, and angle 8 is, angle 7 is here. So these two angles. You look at this angle and this angle and this transversal. You check. So from the transversal, one angle is left side, one angle is right side. Again, if you check the parallel line, this is above the line and this is below the line. So that is why they are in the opposite side of the line. So that is called alternate. And these two are alternate exterior, these two are alternate interior. To identify that one, you have to see this. This one is outside, this one is inside. So whenever we will write this and this and this and this, they are alternate exterior. If we will take inside one, this and this one, again this one and this one, then they are called alternate interior angle. So these are the 2 points we have to study, we have to know. And after this, again one more point is there. So let me explain again that point also. So that point, let me write here. Okay, that is interior angle on the same side of the transversal. You can see here also. Even exterior also we can take, but mostly we use interior. That is why they are given only interior. So interior angle on the same side of the transversal. Then see, now we already mentioned interior. That means no need to take 1 and 2, 7 and 8. You will be taking only inside one. So like angle 3 and angle 6. Again angle 4 and angle 5. See, these two angles, 3 and 6, 4 and 5, they are interior angle on the same side of the transversal. Now one more point I want to explain. See, in point number 1 and 2, I was using equals to everywhere, but this in point number 3, I was using what I use here, n. So that means now these all the angles, they are always equal. Okay, here also they are always equal, but here sum equals to 180. Means angle 3 and 6 both together, if we will add, their values should be 180 degree. Again 4 and 5, their values should be 180 degree. So that is the difference, don't forget. That is, corresponding and alternate angle are always equal. It can be any measurement. Like example, if angle 1 is 50 degree, then this also will be 50 degree. Just example. But in this case, if angle 3 is 100 degree, then angle 6 should be 80 degree. So that 100 plus 80 will come 180 degree. So that is the difference. So there is a difference in this point compared to these 2 points. So you all observe this one carefully and then try to understand. If you have any problem, then you can ask. And on depend on this one, we are going to study the next chapter. That is not chapter, next exercise 6.2. If you did not know about these things, their relation we cannot solve 6 point. That is why I explain first about this one. So after this, now we will be going to the exercise 6.2 in the next